Am I audible? Yes.
Yes.
Oh, that's fine. So you can see now I'm closing all the tabs. First of all, here I have typed on incident. I typed on incident. Under incident application, I'm clicking on create new. I'm clicking on create new. It will open a form, incident form. It will open a incident form, for example. So this area should be called as form. This area should be called as form. Everybody got it? This area should be called as form. This area should be called as form. And this area should be called as form header. This area should be called as form header. Everybody got it? Yes, form header. This is form header. Form header. This area should be called as form header. Okay? Yes. Next.
Yes.
This area should be called as hamburger menu. This area should be called as
Your voice is
hamburger.
breaking.
Is it? Is it for everybody? Is my voice breaking for everybody?
No, sir.
Alaf,
Your voice is
hello.
clearly.
Okay, that's fine. Now is it okay now? Navindra? I hope yes. Okay. So this area should be called as hamburger menu. This area should be called as hamburger menu. This area should be called as hamburger menu. Okay. Yes. Next. This should be called as form header buttons. This should be called as form header buttons. Okay, form header buttons. Next. So this should be called as template toggle. Okay, template toggler. Okay, template related options. This should be called as. This should be called as attachment icon. This area should be called as attachment icon. Attachment icon. This area should be called as attachment icon. Okay. Next. Next. So overall, for example, this should be called as field or column. We can say field or column. Okay. This is a label. This is a label, and this is a text box. Okay. Entire it should be called as field. It should be called as field. This is a text box. This is a label. Everybody got it? Yes.
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 That's fine. Next. 1 minute. If we scroll down, this area should be called as form sections. Here you can see we have 3 form sections. Notes is 1 form section. Related records is 2nd form section. Resolution information is 3rd form section. Okay. Okay. This should be called as form sections. So for example, related records, these are the elements we have. Resolution information, these are the elements we have. Okay. Yes. When we go to the notes here, you can see here we have, this should be called as additional comments box. This area should be called as additional comments box. Next, yellow color box should be called as work notes. Okay, these areas will use regularly in the real time. That's why I'm specifically showing these two. Okay, work notes. Work notes means if you want to communicate with your internal team, you don't want to send any mails. If you want to communicate with internal team regarding this particular ticket, yes, we will use communication with work notes. If you want to communicate to the customer or client, yes, we will use the additional comments. Okay. Yes. You if we scroll down, here you can see. Here we have buttons. Form bottom buttons. You can say form bottom buttons. Okay, it should be called as form bottom buttons. It should be called as form bottom buttons. Everybody got it? Form bottom buttons. Next. So I'm right clicking on form header. I'm right clicking on form header. You are seeing some pop-up. You are seeing some pop-up. Okay. You are seeing some pop-up. This 1 minute, 1 minute. So you are seeing some pop-up. It should be called as form context menu. It should be called as form context menu. Form context menu. It should be called as form context menu. You can see right clicking, configure, form design, form layout. All these all are the options. Export. You have many options. Even if you click on hamburger menu, you will see some same options. Okay. Yes. So you can see if you right click on any field, it will also show some options. Everybody got it from the form. For example, I'm submitting this. For example, I'm submitting this form. I want to show something. Say. Now we have saved this form successfully. Okay. Yes. If we scroll down, this area should be called as activities. This area should be called as activities. Whatever the modifications we are doing in this form continuously, all those modifications will capture in the activities tab. Got it, everybody? If we modify anything in the form, it should be captured in the activities. Okay. It will be captured in the activities, and we have to say what we have to capture. So you can see whatever the fields here selected, only those fields, if we modify only these selected fields data, then only it will capture in this activities tab. If you want to capture other fields data as well, you have to click on configure available fields, and you have to do that. Okay, everybody got it? Yes. Yes. Next, this area should be called as related links. This area should be called as related links. This area should be called as related links. Related links. Next, this area should be called as related list. This area should be called as related list. This area should be called as related list. Related list. This area should be called as related list. Okay. This area should be called as related list. Here you can see task SLA is one related list, affected CI is one related list, impacted services CI is one related list, child instance is one related list. Okay, these all are called as related list. That's fine. For example, I'm right clicking here, configure form layout. I'm going to the configure form layout. I right click on form header, configure form layout. I clicked on the configure form layout. Here you can see you are seeing something. This area should be called as slush bucket. This area should be called as slush bucket. Okay. This area should be called as slush bucket. This is available slush bucket. This is selected slush bucket. Everybody got it? Available slush entirely, we will call it as slush bucket. Available slush bucket and selected slush bucket. Yes. Next. Next, I'm going for list. Next, I'm going for list all. Next, I'm going for list all. Okay. So you can see this area should be called as list. Entirely this area should be called as list. Okay. Yes, this area should be called as list. Okay. This is hamburger menu. These 3 lines icon should be called as hamburger menu. Hamburger menu. This area should be called as hamburger menu. Next, this area should be called as filter icon. This area should be called as filter icon. Okay. Yes. Next, So we don't require about this. So it is for tips. Basically, this is for tips. We don't require this. Okay. 1 minute. I will toggle that one. Toggle means when you click on it will open. When you click on it will close. That should be called as toggle. We can say toggle. Next. This should be called as filter. Filter the data. This is for filter the data. For example, if you are filtering number data in the search tab, in search place, you can enter your text. Okay. Yes. Next, if you want to filter overall, you can select only for text, you can enter. From this table, from this instance table, if you are searching for ABC, if ABC keyword is available on any field, all those records will appear here. Okay. Next. This area should be called as, this gear icon should be called as personalization list. This area should be called as personalization list. This area should be called as personalization list. Okay. This area should be called as personalization list. Next. This area should be called as choice actions. This area should be called as, we can say choice action or list choice action. We can say choice action or list choice action. It has multiple options. If you click here, you will see the multiple options. Got it, everybody? Yes. So this area should be called as list button. This area should be called as list button. This area should be called as list button. Okay. So here it is new button. We have many buttons available in future. You are able to see. Okay. Yes, list button. Next. So when you click here filter, so that filter will add here. We have all right. For example, you can say I'm saying unable to connect to something. I'm saying something. I'm filtering something. You can see here it is appearing. It should be called as breadcrumb bar. It should be called as breadcrumb bar. Breadcrumb bar. So I already noted down in the document. I will send you the document after the class. Okay, this area should be called as breadcrumb bar. This area should be called as breadcrumb bar. Okay, yes. Next. This is search icon. This is search icon. If we click on the search icon, it will toggle the search boxes to the each and every field. Now I'm clicking on search icon. So you can see the search bar should be gone. Again, I click on search icon. Search bar will came. Okay. This is a toggle search. We can say this is toggle search. So here, these all are the columns. You can say columns. These all are the columns. You can say number is one column, opened is one column, short description is one column, color is one column. You can say these all are the columns. Okay. Yes. I'm doing filter. These all are the columns. So here, everything it is a column. Okay. So if you click on here, you will see some options. This should be called as list context menu. List context menu. This pop-up should be called as list context menu. List context menu. This pop-up should be called as list context menu. Got it? Yes. If you click on three dots icon to each and every field, you will get. Otherwise, you can right click on any of the field, you will see this. Even if you click on hamburger menu, you will see the some options. Okay. Yes. For even if you right click anywhere in this list, you will see some options against to that particular record. Everybody got it? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So basically, in our Servicenow, we have reference fields. In the list, if we are seeing any reference fields, that data should be displayed in the blue color. Here you can see number is showing in blue color, Abil tutor, David. This color data and number data is showing in blue color. So why number data is showing in blue color? Because for opening this record, we have link. If you click on any of this record ID, for any of this number, it will open that form, that record form. Got it, everybody? Yes. So here you can see against to each and every record, you are able to see some icon. It should be called as preview icon. It should be called as preview icon. Okay. It should be called as preview icon. It should be called as preview icon. Next, 1 minute. If we scroll down, if we come to the list bottom, you have page nation. We can say it should be called as page nation. It should be called as page nation. It should be called as page nation. Okay, everybody got it? Yes. So until here, you have any queries, please let me know. You have any queries, please let me know. Okay, that's fine. Now I'm going to the document. You can see everything in the document. Batch 17. You can say user interface. Yes. So you can see home page should be like this. Okay. Banner frame should be like this. Banner frame should be like, basically in this document you are seeing the images from the older version. No worries, you can keep this because of still in the real time, still we are using the older versions only few organizations transmitted to the new version of this banner frames and all. Okay, no worries, you will easily identify what it is. The look and feel is same for each and every, even it is a older version or new version, look and feel is same. We have some small changes. Okay, yes. So you can see banner frame, logo, some system icon, global search. This should be called as banner frame. Application navigator. So you can see this area should be called as application navigator. History. This should be called as application navigation search. Favorites, wizard, we can say wizard, favorites, history, global search. These are the applications. Here you see the modules. So here you can see under guided setup we have ITSM guided setup, ITOM guided. These are the modules. Minimize navigator, like we have pin, now it is pin. Okay, we can say minimize navigator should be pin. I showed you pin right here. If you go to the home page, this is the minimize maximize navigator, we can say pin. Okay, next. So you can see instance logo, instance name, user profile. If you click on user profile, you will get some options here. If you click on this user profile, you will get some options. Maybe in tomorrow class, I'm going to explain these options. Okay, yes. Next. Impensate option, maybe in tomorrow class we will get. System settings also in tomorrow class we will get all these. Support chat, we don't have this now. So list, this is the list, form, hamburger menu, field columns, form sections, form header, buttons, attachments, context menu, form context menu, related links, related list, work notes, list header, list context menu, personalization list, filter icon, breadcrumb bar, list choice actions, update set and applications for pickers. Okay, slash bucket. Okay, these are the elements you have to learn. Okay, I will send you this document after our class. Okay, so I have to modify anything on this document, user interface document, then I will modify, otherwise I will keep same. Maybe nothing is changed, guys, only banner frame has some more elements. Okay, next we don't have home page in latest version. This is also changed somewhat. Okay, no worries. Yes, you have any queries, please let me know. Okay. So, guys, I'm stopping today's class here. First of all, I will take attendance. So we are joining only less number of people. That's fine. Okay, yes. I'm stopping class here. The first point is whoever planning to join to classes, so please join regularly without taking any absent. Without taking any absent. You have any health issues or emergency things? Yes, that's fine for taking the leave. Okay. But for traveling, for not waking up early morning, don't take any leaves. Okay, if you take any absence in between, you are not able to understand the concepts. Okay, in Servicenow, each and every concept dependent on the previous concepts. Okay, for example, today we have discussed about user interface. Tomorrow we are going to discuss about the basic configurations. Basic configurations is dependent on the user interface. If you miss user interface, you are not able to understand the basic configuration. Okay, please don't take any leaves in between. If you are taking any leave for the health issues or emergency, please inform me. Okay, if I am taking any important class, so maybe I will try to avoid taking that important class. Instead of that, maybe I will explain some other concept on that day. Okay, if the absence is more, if it is 1 or 2%, I will not stop saying the concept. But you can see, even if you are taking any absent for 1 or 2 days for entire training, I will provide the videos every day. Once your class is completed, within 24 hours, I will send you the recorded videos and daily class notes. I will forward to the daily class notes. I will forward to your WhatsApp number. Okay. And recorded videos I will upload in the Google Drive. I already uploaded the recorded videos to Google Drive. I don't know where you are able to see or not. Okay. I will show you how to identify recorded videos in your Google Drive. So you can open your Google Drive, whatever the mail ID you have shared with me, you can open that emails related Google Drive. That's emails related Google Drive. Here you can see batch 17 administration folder is there. For you guys, you have to click on shared with me. For you have to click on shared with me. When you click on shared with me here, you are able to see batch 17 administration. When you click on batch 17 administration, you will see the recorded videos with the date. For example, here I miss providing the date. It is a November 4, right? 04/11/2022. Yes. So here you can see we have folder. Now I'm moving these videos to for example. For yesterday's videos, we have another folder in the batch 17 administration 05/11/2022. For yesterday's videos, we have another folder. 1 minute, I will try to upload videos here only. Yesterday, yes, batch 5. Yesterday, actually, I forgot to upload and I went outside. It's okay. So batch 5. This is first video. A new folder upload. Second video. 5th. This is second video. For example, if I want to upload today's video, I will create a new folder with today's date. Okay. 06/11/2022. 1 minute. 6. Yes, this is already done. So first video I'm already uploading. Folder upload. 661. Yes. Upload. Okay, daily you will get videos like this. So if you want to watch first class, yes, you can go to here. Second class, you can go to this folder like that. Got it, everybody? For you, when you click on shared with me, you will see one folder, batch 7 administrator. Whoever already sent the details, on November 4th, I already shared the videos. And whoever shared the details yesterday, I will give access today itself. Okay, after this class, I will give you the access of recorded class videos and daily class notes. Okay, for few days, I will give the class content via email. After that, I will ship to the WhatsApp. Okay. Next, I want to discuss about regarding my holidays also. So basically, 2 to 3 months back, I was planned for 10 days trip. Okay, 2 to 3 months back, I already planned for 10 days trip. So generally, I'm taking holidays, 10 days holidays from 18th November to 28th November. 18th November to 28th November. So basically, I will try to reach home by 27 itself. If I reach 27, I will take class on 28. Otherwise, our next class, I will take class on 29. Got it, everybody? Here I am taking 10 days leave. It's already planned by my family almost 3 months back. That's why I'm taking. Okay, so actually, I plan to start this batch from November 28th, but few students was requested to start this batch earlier. Okay, that's why I started this batch on November 4th. Everybody got it? Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, here I'm taking
Yes, sir.
for this only for your batch. I'm taking 10 days holidays. Okay, I haven't taken this much long holidays for any batch from this last 4 years. Okay, yes, that's fine.
And I have some small request.
Yes.
So instead of taking 1 hour per day, can you take 1 more hour extra? Like whether you are as you are taking a leaves.
Yes, Navindra. Yes, it's possible for me to take the extra 1 hour also. That's fine. But I explain more than 1 hour, you guys will not understand. That's my concern. Okay. You just started learning Servicenow, and we are discussing the basic things. Okay, once we go to the configurations, somewhat maybe you guys will confuse. Okay, that's why I will not take classes for more than 1 hour, that you are not able to understand. And so for upcoming, if we go to more than 1 week, so we have tables concept and all. From that, everything is configuration only. Okay, for practicing that, it will take 2 to 3 hours. Got it? For 1 hour class, for preparation for you, it will take 2 to 3 hours. It's difficult for you to understand. Okay, it is overloaded for you. That's why I will not take 2 hours class. But I have free time. So I have only one batch for 3 months. Oh, yearly, I will take only 4 batches. Batches. Okay. So if you
This is
have
my
any
request. I can.
yes,
Yeah, I can. I can practice.
yes,
I have a
yeah,
patience like.
okay, fine.
I
Next,
don't know about others.
yes. So I'm considering all. That's why I'm taking only 1 hour. So if I take 2 hours class daily, maybe our training will complete within 1 month only. 1 month or 1 month, 10 days only. But you will not get chance to practice. Okay. So generally also outside institutions, they are taking only 45 days class. 40 days, not 45 days. So I feel that within 40 days, we cannot learn anything. Even they are taking only 1 hour classes. Okay. So whatever the time it is, so we can learn from basic to advanced with real-time scenarios. So for example, here I'm taking 10 days, leave. That means I will not say any, I will not lose that 10 days from my duration. Okay, for example, I said our classes duration is 2 months 15 days. So if I take 10 days leave, maybe I will try to extend 1 week extra. Okay, I will try to extend 1 week extra. Only that's I will do. I don't lose this 10 days from our duration. Okay, మీకు క్లాసెస్ అయితే ఒక సబ్జెక్ట్ ఒక కాన్సెప్ట్ కూడా కవర్ చేయకుండా ఉండను. నేను లీవ్స్ తీసుకొని ఏదైనా తీసుకొని ఒక రోజు ఎక్స్ట్రా అయినా పర్లేదు, మొత్తం సబ్జెక్ట్ చెప్తాను. గాట్ ఇట్ ఎవ్రీబడి? ఎస్. నెక్స్ట్, yesterday I have, today basically Sunday we don't have any class, but so we have completed only 2 classes right so far. So that's why I have taken today class. For taking today class, I will give you the holiday on 11th. This November 11th, I will give holiday. If it possible, I will also give you the holiday on 12th. Okay, got it? This 13th, we have class again. Got it? So actually for November 11th, I have some personal work. That's why I'm planning to give the leave on November 11th. So I will try
1 day is enough.
Yeah, 1 day is enough. Okay. Yes.
You can take
11th,
a class on 12th.
yeah. I will try to take class on 12th also. If you guys are not interested, I will also give a holiday on 12th. But in 13, we have class. 13, we have class. Once I finished my leave calendar, from that day onwards, I will give holiday on Sunday only. Got it, everybody?
Okay.
Yes. And finally, we have completed 3 classes. If we have any feedback for me, anybody have any feedback on any improvements I have to take, please let me know. I will try to improve myself. I will try to give better training. Okay. Yes, any suggestions, any feedback, any improvements required from my side, please let me know. Okay. And I see that only few members shared your details to my mail ID. So for those already given access, who shared details on November 4th. Okay, for others, I will give you the access after this class. Okay, if anybody not shared your details still, please share your details to my mail ID. I am pasting my mail ID in Zoom chat. Please copy paste to your notepad and you can share your details if anybody not share your details. Okay. Yes. Next, whoever joining from the previous batch. Okay, so basically we are charging half fee amount for you, because we are charging half fee amount for you. Okay, for whoever listening the second time. Okay, whoever listening the second time, we are asking for half amount of current fee. Next, even if you are, even from the current batch or previous batch, if you are taking continuous holidays, I will not allow you to the classes. So you have to attend the classes regularly. So in our classes, I will give you the homeworks daily. I will give you the assignments weekly. I will give you the mini projects kind of things monthly. Okay, I will ask you the interview questions weekly. I will provide you the interview questions and interview tips, and few interviews I have attended real time, so those questions also I will provide. Okay, we have 4 assignments, we have 2 to 3 mini projects, all these I will provide day by day. Okay. Yes. So finally, we have 3 classes completed. If you are planning to continue the classes, so please start the fee payment. Please try to complete your fee payment for tomorrow class. Got it, everybody? Yes. So please complete your fee payments. We have completed 3 classes. Next, so basically in Servicenow, we have administration and development. I can also say ITSM. So ITSM is completely theory part. Okay, ITSM is completely theory part. For we have 1 week for ITSM, it will take 1 week, completely theory part. In the administration, everything is configuration only. Everything is configuration only in the administration. In the development, we will use the script. We will use the scripting. Okay. In the development, we will use the scripting. Okay. For the scripting, we have to learn the JavaScript basics. We have to learn the JavaScript basics. Okay. So basically for the starting of development, it will take almost 1 month time. It will take almost 1 month time for entering to the development part. So meanwhile, if you do some hard work, for learning the JavaScript, that is better for you. That is better for you. So for learning JavaScript, I will prefer these 3 websites: W3 Schools, Java T Point, Tutorials Point. And we have many websites for the learning JavaScript. We have many websites for learning JavaScript. And we have many YouTube videos for learning JavaScript. We have Udemy courses and all. So based upon your interest, please try to start learning JavaScript from today onwards. Okay. Even if you are not prepared, even if you are not learned any JavaScript, no worries. I will explain you in the class itself for 2 days, 1 or 2 days. Okay. Whatever the JavaScript we will use in our classes, I will explain you in 1 day or 2 days. Okay. Before development start. నేను క్లాస్ లో కూడా చెప్తాను జావాస్క్రిప్ట్. మీరు నేర్చుకున్నా నేర్చుకోకపోయినా నేను క్లాసెస్ లో 1 day క్లాస్ కానీ 2 day క్లాస్ కానీ తీసుకొని I will explain you the JavaScript basics, which is used for our Servicenow scripting. మన Servicenow scripting ki help whatever the JavaScript things we will use in the Servicenow scripting, I will explain before development starts. If you learn advanced, if you learn JavaScript before I explain, you will easily understand what I am explaining at that time. Okay అండి, నేను ఏమైతే ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తున్నానో అది మీకు ఇంకా అర్థమవుతుంది ఇప్పటి నుంచే నేర్చుకోవడం స్టార్ట్ చేస్తే. ఎవ్రీబడి గాట్ ఇట్? Yes, that's fine. So this meeting will end in 1 minute. So we'll meet you tomorrow with the basic configurations concept. Okay. Thank you all. Thank you so much. Whoever not shared your details, so please share your details to my mail ID. That is servicenowtraining2018@gmail.com. Okay. Yes. Thank you all. Bye bye. If you have any queries at any time, so please reach out to me on normal call or WhatsApp. Okay, fine. Thank you all.